Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at that Stihl 084 Magnum. That's a 121cc motor. This one, I did a compression check on it. Cold, it was 150 psi. This one features a 36-inch organ bar. Bar's in great shape, sprocket nose, and a new 3/8 skip tooth chain. Skip sequence is the spacing between the teeth. And you can see we got some space there, and it's .063 gauge, and that's a chisel bit. Real fast cutting chain. Great combination for this big saw. And we'll look at some of the features it has. It's got the West Coast air cleaner. And that's a foam filter. The guys just love these. They're real easy to clean. You just oil them up with some tacky oil using the air cleaner oil. Collects all the debris, keeps that motor clean. Kill switch is right here. All the way down is choke, and then run, and all the way up is off. Side load on your fuel reservoir and the oil reservoir. Got two large falling spikes, very nice for this big saw, and the wrap handlebar. And to adjust the tensioner, you just loosen the two nuts up, and right in the center is a tension screw. Working chain brake. Chip guard down here, that helps keep the chips away from the operator. It's a very big, powerful chainsaw. Go outside and make a cut with it now.